Hey guys, welcome to our new video. Today I will show you how to make YouTube banner in Canva application. So at first open your Google Play Store, then search for Canva application and just simply install it. I have already installed the application, so I will just open it. Now after opening the application, simply click on the search your content area. Click here and write YouTube banner. You can see there are already preloaded YouTube banners. You can choose any of it and simply modify it. Or you can also make your YouTube banner by applying another process. Simply click on the plus icon from below. Now click on the what would you like to create option. Right here YouTube banner. You can see the first option YouTube banner 2560 into 1440px. Simply click on YouTube banner option. Now here you can see already preloaded templates are available. So simply click on any of it. There are a lot of options available on different niches like gaming. You can also search for music channel or banner. Here you can see there are a lot of options available. I will choose it. Now you can also modify it by clicking on the each and every elements of this banner. So I hope you understood the whole process and all doubts are clear. I hope you will make very good YouTube banners. Thanks for watching our video. Please give a like to this video if you like this tutorial.